Good morning, Tom at Davisonorchards once again, and here we are in strawberry season, just at the very end of May and the beginning of June. It's a fabulous time for the first crop of the season, which is our strawberries. And you can grow strawberries a lot of different ways, and there's actually two different kind of main groups of strawberries. So what we grow is June-bearing strawberries, so they come quickly and over a relatively short time period, and the flavor is amazing. But you'll see there's hardly any blossom now, but lots and lots of berries, because they blossom in May and then they crop in June, and then they're finished for the seasons. But you can see just an amazing set. These all these beautiful green berries are growing still like crazy, and some of them are beginning to color. So we had our first harvest just a couple of days ago, and now we have these beautiful berries in the market. So just a couple of things of interest about the way we grow strawberries, and you can, plant them out in your garden just in the soil, and that's great. We use plastic mulch, and it's a biodegradable plastic, but it'll give us a couple of seasons of protection from the weeds. And the other thing we just love about the plastic mulch is that when the berries are ripening, they're laying on the plastic. They're not on the ground where they're getting dirty and they get more disease issues and things. So this keeps the berries super clean, keeps most of the weeds away, and provides a great environment for our plants. And of course our irrigation line is underneath the plastic, so there's no evaporation and the plants get exactly the water that they need. And this system works super well because strawberries are actually quite short-lived. We will plant one season and then harvest a few that season, and then 2 more seasons, and then they're out again. So strawberry plants are only a 2 to 3 year crop, and then we're rotating them out. What happens is the berry size gets very, very small, and the plants start to have more issues with disease and so on. So we are continually planting new plants and harvesting for a couple of years, and then out they go, and the new ones are coming in. We love growing strawberries. That first fresh fruit of the season is always just special, but they are kind of a labor of love because there is a lot of handwork. Of course, every single strawberry is going to be picked by hand. And so there's a lot of labor, and that's what makes strawberries a high cost crop. But boy, to have the fresh local strawberries, the flavor is amazing, and I hope you have a chance to enjoy some.